an application for habeas corpus that is subsidienda brought under the provisions of Section 38.
That's too much. Break it down for our members.
That's the language of the statute, the Act, my lord.
Yes, but you can break it down and see where.
Most of that, my lord, this is an application brought under Section 38 of the Judicature Act for this writ of habeas corpus, which is for an order that Dr. Besigye and Obed Butare here be brought before you, my lord, for the respondents to show cause why they are keeping them in detention without a valid remand warrant or any valid court order or pending charges against them.
I thought initially habeas corpus you are saying you don't know where this person is.
That's not the case, my lord.
The principle. Someone is in detention, you don't know who is holding him, probably. So you need the body dead or alive. So the person is here. They are nothing.
Yes, my lord, but my lord, when you look at the construction interpretation of Section 38, it's not restrictive that it has to be in cases where the person his whereabouts are not known.
So now the whereabouts are known. So what is the basis of your application?
The application is for an order of release, my lord.
Now you add that.
Most of that, my lord.
The body is here.
Yes.
So you add.
My lord, the brief facts are contained in the affidavit of the Honorable William, and we have read the affidavit. Most of that, my lord. And my lord, our prayer is grounded on that particular section 38 rather of the Judicature.
The 18 office in that's why I wanted to stop there.
Harold, thank you very much. First of all, the speed with which you have acted. Number two, my lord, the summon is to the respondent to bring the body and justify why it continues in what we contain as unlawful detention. They have not shown up, but at least they have brought the bodies of the persons. Having failed to come and justify the detention, I would implore you, my lord, before you go back to the administrative pronouncement, order for release.
You are rushing us. You are rushing us. So can I ask all the journalists to move out? Because I didn't want to go into the chamber. You will come back later. But if you don't want to go out, it's up to you. So I can see Mr. Rupako shaking. No problem. They can stay. We are not hiding anything. For me, as a judge, I'm very happy that our person is important. So I'm repeating that part, that probably is still a part of the application as a little bit rigid. So what we have focused on is whether the continuous detention is justified. Probably a lot of damages. Why that today has been done. Now, thank you very much. I'm now going to take a break and ask the prison authorities to take back the 2 people. We are going to resume counsel. I've told you, Mr. Catholic brother told me they know I'm imposing around here to colleagues and
My Lord, my big concern and contention that when you order prison authorities to take them back, now they will be holding them under your orders.
Council, and that's why I wanted the journalists to first leave us so that we do some housekeeping. Because my friends from the society, their were somewhere to leave us. Now this is so let's say, council, you know I respect you.
Most of that my Lord, I will still proceeding with the application as directed by the court. Yes, ma'am.
I can assure you they are well funded. For me as the judge, I'm very excited about the status of the resolution. So let's be here for a few minutes.
We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. 7 will die. 7 will die. 7 will die someday. Deep in my heart, I do believe 7 will die someday. Who will cry? Who will cry? Who will cry someday? Deep in my heart, I do believe who will cry someday. And Besigye will live. Besigye will live. Besigye will live someday. Deep in my heart, I do believe Besigye will live someday. Yes, justice will return. Justice will return someday. Deep in my heart, I do believe justice will return someday. Freedom for all! 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 Never surrender! Never surrender!
Risto Boutique wano ku Kamkamu Plaza Entebbe Road Kampala bayina engoye okuva e UK ez'abaami n'abakyala kossa n'abaana ebiteeteeyi ebirungi bayina tops bayina pants ennungi ez'abakyala kossa n'engoye ezambalibwa munda bayina engoye z'abaami ng'amasuuti bayina t-shirts ennungi jeans ennungi engoye endalira abaami ze bambalira munda bayina diapers oba ziyite pampers okuvira ddala ku mwana azaaliddwa paka ku muntu omukulu engatto z'abakyala ennungi n'engatto z'abaami byonna babina wano ku Risto Boutique n'ebyokwewunda eby'abaami n'abakyala mujje wano ku Kamkamu Plaza first floor F46 oba osobola okugiyita FF46 nga weritimbiddwa ku mulyango gwalyo oba ku b'ennamba z'essimu eziri wansi awo babeere nga bakolera delivery. Little Bird School Mixed Day and Boarding School lisangibwa Nansana Kyebando Nsumbi bagamba nti gwe omuzadde akola ennyo ng'obudde olina butono bw'omwana wo mubakwase babeere nga tebamulabirira bulungi mu by'okusoma ne mu bulamu obwa bulijjo saate era ne bakugamba nti gwe omuzadde ali ku kyeyo osobola okuba ng'obawa omwana wo paka contract yo weggwako oba paka ekiseera kyekyeyo we kitambulira oba paka w'okomawo n'olaba ku mwana wo as long as obawaddeyo byonna ebyetaagisa okulaba ng'omwana wo bamutereka mu kifaananyi ekirungi. Balina emisomo egy'enjawulo nga kw'otadde ne computer lessons eri omwana okuviira ddala ku muto paka ku mwana owa P7 ate ng'era nkutegeeza nti n'abantu abakulu abasobola okuba batuuka ku ssomero lino nammwe basobola okuba basomesa computer. Essomero baliyita Little Bird School liri Mixed Day and Boarding lisangibwa wano Nansana ng'odda ku Kyebando ekyalo bakiyita Nsumbi.
Bannayuganda nyongera bakubiriza n'okubagamba nti okuzimba si kuzibu kasita oba ng'olina poloti yo nga weeri ate noweesiga abantu abamanyi ekyokukola kugeza ngaffe abaleko construction company okuzimba kuba kugenda kwanguyira. Tulina abakugu bonna abakubi ba pulaani abakubi ba structural drawings electrical mechanical ebibino ebya welding painting n'ennyumba tugenda gijjako engalo ng'efaanana nga bwe twagikuba mu pulaani.
Peter Ali Moses, marketing manager wa Tete Business Solutions. We deal in printing, branding and general supplies. Tukola signages, tukola corporate wear uniforms n'ebintu bingi. Bino byonna bye mulaba mu dduuka zino samples. Buli kyolaba kyonna tulina stores. Tukola bintu bingi n'abasinga bamanyi tukola printing and branding only. Naye tukola bingi tulina departments ezirimu civil engineering, ezirimu installations, mechanical installations n'ebirala. Tuli located at Lighthouse Arcade behind Charm Towers C12 era bw'otuuka ku C12 obupande waffe bwonna oba obulaba.